There are lions. There are lions in this deen that will never give up. They will never give up. They'll convey this message just like the Prophet ﷺ told us to convey it, without distorting it, without putting conditions, without lying. And this deen, whether you like it or you don't, whether you be a part of spreading this knowledge, it will be spread. So as I mentioned, the Prophet ﷺ, he made knowledge a condition for your shahada to be accepted. And how many people are truly ignorant of this shahada? A few words that if you apply it in your life, nothing will move you. You'll be an unshakable mountain. You'll be a soul that can't be bought. No one can bring you something and say, this is how much you're worth. This is your monthly salary. This is your weekly salary. Don't do this. Don't do that. You can't buy a muwahid. A muwahid, his ticket is Jannah. That's it. And no one can give him that. So you'll be a soul that can't be bought, because you understand that this shahada is the only thing that will save you from eternal punishment.